Unit 2 Lesson Motion. In this video, we are going to learn three things. What is motion? Then, motion is a relative phenomenon. What does it mean by motion is a relative phenomenon? Finally, define uniform and non-uniform motion. What is motion? In simple terms, something that moves is called motion. To say properly, an object which changes its position with respect to time is called motion. Any object changes its location as time passes, then that event is called motion. டைம் ஆக ஆக ஒரு பொருள் தன்னோட இடத்த மாற்றிக்குதுனாக்கா that thing can be called as motion. Opposite of motion is rest. What is rest? An object which do not change their position with respect to time or with respect to surrounding, then that object is at rest. Object which change their position with respect to time is called motion. Object which do not change their position with respect to time is called at rest. How can one study, understand or describe motion? Motions are generally described in terms of distance, speed, acceleration and time. What is relative phenomenon? We read in our textbook, motion is a relative phenomenon. Definition goes like this: for one person, what seems to be in motion can appear to be at rest to another person. Likewise, for one person, what seems to be at rest can appear to be in motion to another person. இப்படின்னா என்ன? ஒருத்தருக்கு மூவ் ஆகிற மாதிரி தெரியுது, இன்னொருத்தருக்கு ரெஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியுமா? அதே மாதிரி ஒருத்தவருக்கு ரெஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கிறது வேற ஒருத்தவருக்கு மூவ் ஆகிற மாதிரி தெரியுமா? இந்த ஃபேக்டை தான் we say relative phenomenon. Depending upon the observer, things appear differently. Let me show you a video which will help you to understand this. What do you see in this video? Everything on the roadside seem to be moving backwards. Is that true? In reality, not. Buildings and everything on the roadside is at rest, but for the one who sees from a moving train seem to be moving backwards. பில்டிங்லாம் ரெஸ்ட்டில் தான் இருக்குது, ஆனால் மூவ் ஆகிற ட்ரெயின்லேருந்து பார்க்குறப்ப அது மூவ் ஆகிற மாதிரி தெரியுது. This is what we say relative phenomenon. actually at rest seem to be in motion. Let me ask one question. Is really building at rest? பில்டிங்லாம் உண்மையாகவே ரெஸ்ட்டில் தான் இருக்கா? மூவ் ஆகாமல் தான் இருக்கா? நோ. பிகாஸ் our earth is in constant motion. Our earth revolves around our sun. If earth is in motion, then everything on earth is also in motion. Even though that building which we see appear to be at rest, but actually they are in motion. நம்ம பார்க்குற பில்டிங் பார்க்கறதுக்கு வேணால் ரெஸ்ட்டில் இருக்குது. ஆனால் எர்த்து ரிவால்வ் ஆகிறதால எர்த்தோடு சேர்ந்து அதுவும் ரிவால்வ் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. அதனால் பார்க்கறதுக்கு பில்டிங் ரெஸ்ட்டு தான், ஆனால் எர்த்து மூவ் ஆகிறதால அதுவும் மூவ் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. ஆனால் மூவ் ஆகிற மாதிரி தெரியுதா? இல்லை. இந்த ஃபேக்டை தான் we say relative phenomenon. Okay, we will conclude like this. Depending upon the person, what appears to be at rest can appear to be in motion to another person. What is uniform and non-uniform motion? Uniform motion. An object which has constant speed throughout the journey can be called as uniform motion. For example, a car has a speed of 60 km per hour throughout the journey. That means every hour that car covers 60 km. Definition: if an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then that motion is said to be uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Consider a bus moving through a crowded area or heavy traffic. In such situation, it is impossible for the bus to maintain the same speed. If the speed is not maintained throughout the journey, then that kind of motion is called as non-uniform motion. Definition for non-uniform motion: an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. This picture shows examples for uniform and non-uniform motion. In the first tabular column, if you go through the data given in the table, you can see for every 5 seconds the car covers 10 meter. Every 5 seconds the car covers 10 meters. That is why we say in uniform motion equal distance is covered in equal intervals of time. See the second tabular column. Here unequal distance is covered in every 5 seconds. This tabular column is example for non-uniform motion. If unequal distance is covered in equal intervals of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. How would a graph look like for uniform and non-uniform motion? For uniform motion, the graph would be a straight line, whereas for non-uniform motion the graph would look like curved shape or other than straight line. With this, we come to the end of today's lesson. You all note down today's homework. Today's homework is write and learn. Define uniform motion and non-uniform motion. That is the first question. Second question, draw the diagram of uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay, thank you students.